Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lemon pepper, honey, garlic baked chicken. That was kind of a mouthful. Okay, so I'm going to make a marinade first, and I'm just going to use some spices and some olive oil. You could add some extra things to this, like if you wanted to add some honey to this or some like vinegar or like lemon juice or something, you could, but it's just some lemon, pepper, garlic, onion, paprika, some parsley, and a little bit of olive oil until it makes kind of a really wet paste. Like that's kind of the consistency you're wanting. And you may or may not need to add more olive oil or less, depending on how you want it. And then I put my chicken breast in the bowl. And I did 4. And so if you're going to do more chicken breasts, you may need to do more mix, like more marinade. It just depends. And that's really the great thing about this is you can kind of eyeball it. You can put in things that you like. If you wanted to add some other things as well, you totally can. Like if you wanted to make it spicy, you could add a little pinch of cayenne. That would be good. But you want to let it marinate for at least 2 hours. And also, I did not put any salt or pepper in this because my lemon pepper seasoning has salt in it already. So you need to read the ingredients on your seasoning mixes to see if they already have salt in them before you add extra salt. So after about 2 hours, I got the chicken out of the bowl, and I'm just going to bake this in the oven. I put it on 425. I baked it for 20 minutes, and then I flipped the chicken over, and then I baked it for another 20 minutes. And these were thicker chicken breasts, and they needed that extra time. So now I'm going to make a little sauce, and the sauce is optional. You don't have to put this on, but this is where you get the honey from. I just put a couple tablespoons of oil in my pan with some garlic, and then I'm using some soy sauce, about 1/4 cup. And the great thing about this is it's all going to reduce down, so it doesn't have to be super precise with your measurements. And then I added about 3 tablespoons of honey and about the juice of half of a lemon. And I just simmered that for 5 to 7 minutes. I also added some lemon slices to it. You'll see that here in just a minute, just to put on top of the chicken to make them look pretty for pictures. But you don't have to do this part. But this was really great because it was easy. This is one of those things where you could put the chicken into marinade like before you go to work in the morning, let it marinate all day, and then bake it in the oven when you get home. Make an easy side dish to go with it, and really the only thing you actually have to cook is the sauce, and the sauce only takes like 5 minutes to put together. So once the chicken came out of the oven, I just put those lemon slices on top, and then I basted this chicken in my sauce. And this was really good. It was a really bright flavor with the lemon, and the honey gave it just a little bit of sweetness, and had some good flavor from the saltiness of the soy sauce and the garlic. So it was a great and simple dinner recipe, and it looks pretty too. But you could do this on the grill as well, or in the air fryer. Be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes if you want to see more recipes, and thanks for watching.